Every creator knows this frustration. You shoot a strong video, the performance is on point, the motion looks great, but the moment you open it in the editor, problems start showing up. The product label is outdated. The background doesn't feel premium. Some random object ruins an otherwise perfect frame. And fixing these things usually means reshoots, complex masking, endless keyframes, and hours of manual cleanup. Now imagine fixing all of that by typing just one sentence. Swap the product, fix the background, remove the object, and the video updates instantly.
That's exactly what Pippit is doing with Dreamina Seedance 2.0.
Is now live on Pippit's video agent. You can edit any part of your video using text. See the change. No timelines, no rotoscoping, no frame-by-frame cleanup. If you've ever wished video editing worked more like photo editing, this is that shift. Pippit is a platform that turns text into full professional videos.
With Dreamina Seedance 2.0,
it also lets you directly edit existing videos using prompts. Multi-reference video editing. Imagine a fashion reel. You have a walking shot that works perfectly, but the outfit and location don't match the brand you're pitching this week. Reference input. One base video with the walking motion. One image reference for the outfit. Now the prompt. Replace the clothing in this clip with the outfit from this reference image. Keep my facial features, hairstyle, hair color, and walking posture unchanged. Final result. The movement stays the same. The personality stays the same, but the outfit and environment update to match the references. Same performance. New look. No reshoot.
What Dreamina Seedance 2.0 is really doing here
is separating identity, motion, and style, then recombining them based on your instructions. Precise product swaps. Now let's talk product content. You shot a clean perfume video. The lighting is good. The hands look natural. Then the client sends a last-minute product update. Reference input. Original product video. New product image. Replace the perfume in the video with the product from this image. Keep everything else unchanged. The new product appears perfectly aligned with the scene. Lighting matches, scale matches, perspective matches. Nothing else in the frame is disturbed. This is huge for ads, brand deals, and fast-moving campaigns. Background changes. Maybe you filmed at home, but the brand wants a premium look. Change the background in this video to a nighttime city skyline. Keep the subject exactly the same. Your performance stays identical, but the environment becomes whatever you describe. No green screen, no cutouts, no manual cleanup.
Dreamina Seedance 2.0 rebuilds the scene,
while preserving motion and lighting continuity. Storyboard-driven video creation. This is where it gets really interesting. You can upload storyboard images. Based on these storyboard images, generate a cool brand advertising video. Instead of stitching shots together manually,
Dreamina Seedance 2.0 uses the storyboard as creative guidance. It generates a coherent, stylized ad with consistent framing, pacing, and visual language.
Object removal. Here's a super practical one every editor will appreciate. You've got a great shot, but a random object ruins the frame. Remove the round plowshare ray from the video. Leave everything else unchanged. The object disappears. The background fills naturally. Motion and lighting remain intact. No visible artifacts. No manual paintouts. Camera movement by description. For creators who care about camera language, this is powerful. You can describe camera movement directly, using this building as the main subject. Start with an overhead shot for 2 seconds, then a level shot, then a bird's eye view, then a close-up, and finish on a tight detail shot. The output simulates dynamic camera movement, as if you had a drone, crane, and full crew, but it's generated entirely from text and references. Why this matters? The real win here is speed. All of this can be triggered with a single prompt, instead of spending hours inside a traditional editor. You can go from idea to draft to revision incredibly fast. you still need good prompts. Complex scenes may take a couple of tries, but for background swaps, product changes, object removal, and fast remixes,
Dreamina Seedance 2.0 removes a massive amount of manual work.
Pippit is making pro-level video editing accessible, without a studio or years of post-production experience. If you're a creator, marketer, or working with AI tools, this completely changes how fast you can ship. And if this breakdown helped, subscribe for more deep dives, and drop a comment with how you'd use this in your own workflow.